Last video is about the statewide assessment. So when you go into your courses, you'll have your math class, right? Your summer class, whatever you're taking, and you're also going to see your Math 123 outcomes. So this is a separate, and you had to accept an invitation to this course. Now when you see this, you're only going to see 3 quizzes, test 1, test 2, and test 3. And we're going to use these as the review for the exams. So the nice thing is they match very closely with the exams that we use in this course, and they are due the same day and time as the exam. So the only problem is I will build, I don't think I built it yet in the course, but I will be building the link so that in our course there will be a spot where you can go directly into that. Actually, now that I think about it, I think they are there. Let me look. But anyway, those quizzes will not be dropped. They're not one of the 3 quizzes that can be dropped, and we'll go from there. But no, they're not in here right now. So I will be building links in our course. That way they can go, you can link straight from there. And I will remind you as we go. But I just want to let you know that that statewide assessment course is another piece, and it is part of this course. And we will use those as the reviews for the exams. So, oh, there they are. They are in there. Review quiz 1. They're in modules 5, 10, and 16 where the 3 exams are. So the links are built in that will access and go straight to that review. But good exams, you can take those as many times as you want. Highest score is recorded. So, you know, it's good to just keep trying, keep practicing, learn from your mistakes. If you have questions, you know where to find me, and we'll go from there.